have 41 minutes to do this, so we're gonna make it count. Where's my wig? Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I have sour Skittles. I already have cavities on this side of my mouth. I'm going to be cutting this wig into a shag mullet, and then I'm going to be giving it highlights. I cut my hair into a mullet in October. I didn't really like that mullet. I did it on TikTok. Actually, follow me on TikTok. I decided to do a shag mullet hairstyle. Some of my mutuals, some of the people that I follow on TikTok that have this hairstyle. I definitely saw a lot of black girls with this hairstyle, which made me very, very happy. Going on Pinterest to find inspiration for this was one of the hardest things I had to do, because when you search in the name of the hairstyle, I only saw beige people. That's fine, but I want to see what it looks like on me, and I've seen it on me before, especially on TikTok. So I was just very confused as to why in 2020 I have to put black girl after, like, you know, the name. You know, POC know the struggle. I'm either thinking this hairstyle right here, this haircut, Kelly Miss Rowland, that haircut, but with a little bit more hair, you know? It's giving very much a second lead in a coming of age teen movie in the early 2000s, late 90s. The main character's best friend has way better sense of style and is actually more interesting than the main character, but they're not the main character because they're not white. Should probably start bleaching this and cutting this anyway, because I want to have this hairstyle and I want to have my own, you know, version. I was thinking, do I want to have a mullet shag, or do I want to have the shag that's like a bob? I don't know how to explain it. My biggest concern is the way I'm going to be cutting it, because I don't know if I should cut it as a mullet or as a bowl cut. Like, what do I do? One of my mutuals on TikTok, Spit Kink, their hair is really pretty. Also Miss Jackson, if you're nasty, their hair is really pretty. But I think I'm gonna go longer first and then do little flips and see what I like. This hair was originally more curly. I straightened it and now it looks like this. Like, I think I got water on this. So here's the plan, even though I just said the plan. I'm going to cut it, shape it, make some hopefully platinum highlights. Like, I guess this is just blonde, but like blonde highlights. Right now I only have aquamarine Adore hair dye in my bathroom and bleach, so that's what I'm gonna do, and hopefully I like it. I'm gonna add some in the bangs and you guys are gonna see it's gonna look really cute. It's gonna look really cute. I'm really excited. Hopefully I don't look horrible. Okay, so this already seems like a bad wig to do this on, but I'm gonna do it anyway because this is one of my really old wigs and I don't know what to do with it. I sewed it in an elastic band last night with not that great, I guess, whatever this is called, the band, and I know it's going to get like really loose very soon. So issue number one I'm noticing already is the construction of this stupid wig that I have. To have this much hair in the front, I had to just split down the middle, and that uncovered all the tracks, so I have to figure out a way to keep that. It's fine though, it's fine. Brush it back. Watch me do all this work on this wig and it just doesn't, it's just not giving. This is essentially gonna be like my throw on wig. Hello? Yeah. I don't know. Good idea. So I'm just essentially gonna take it from all the way back there. You even see like this wig is just really stupid and small. And if you're wondering, how are you just cutting? Like, how are you just gonna start cutting? I feel like it's mostly because I had this wig for a long time, and also I'm very impulsive, so I just don't care. I would love to brush it, to wet it, but I know that's going to make it like, I have to make sure this part is like essentially closed up. Is that even? Doesn't matter. Is this? Is that better? Yes. Oops. Part of me was like, oh, I shouldn't have cut that much. Okay, so now since we're giving coconut head, I feel I feel the vibes. I feel like this is nice, but I need to cut it a little bit above my nose because I want it to be above my eyes when I bump it. Now I guess I can start shagging. So I'm not smart and I did not get the little thing. So I'm just gonna use an eyebrow razor. Okay. And I'm gonna use some more water to shape it. I just became Zoe Deschanel. I feel like I got a little out of hand because it's supposed to be more of like a bowl than just like a bang with like 2 antennae on the side. We're just gonna go. I feel like this is a bad idea. Does anyone not else feel like this is a bad idea? Oh, okay. Why am I doing this so impulsively? I'm so sorry if I just gave you heaps of anxiety. Shaping, first I'm gonna shape with scissors. This is kind of how I did my mullet, but it's not as long in the back. I'm so scared. I mean, I was just making TikToks. Take these bitches off. Can't do shit. Saw some person like do this so they can have like their little thingies on the side. I think I'm being too graceful. I think I just need a cut. It's like a bob. I think I'm doing good, guys. Cause is that good? From the angle that I'm looking at, it looks good, but I am worried about the back of the hair. So we're gonna go for a mullet at first. Mullets are hot. Oh, this is cute though. Okay, so I'm not gonna layer it too much at the top, simply because I thought I had a reason that I was gonna say just now. This side just looks cool. One thing I did realize, I cut this part too short because I was being impulsive. Now this has a cute little curve that I like, and this doesn't. I just like moved this wig. Now it looks gross. Okay. See, if I had styled this and it looked this way, that would look cool. I'm gonna do it to the other side. I hope I don't cut myself. I don't want to speak too soon. Don't cut yourself, please. What did I just do? There we go. And then I could bump this shape, and I mean, I don't have to wet it all the time for it to look the way I want it to look. So I guess this is where styling comes in. It looks really pretty though. Okay, so I guess now goes into styling. There we go. But I guess this is where I clean up all the hair and we start bleaching stuff, and then I might cut more. Okay, so now I am about to bleach. Actually, I don't need that much bleach, do I? Probably don't. We're gonna develop this hoe. Develop her. Get it? Ooh. I have some tinfoil. I don't know how you're supposed to do this. Probably not like this, but I'm gonna do it like this. Teeny pieces of tinfoil, sectioning out all of my strands. So this is what we're working with. I'm doing a horrible job, but we move. We got this. We'll see how it turns out. I think I need to add more bleach. It's not enough, but ugh. Okay, I have bleached out all the sections of the wig and I put it in this bag. I'll explain why. I'm pretty sure like when I bleached my eyebrows, you were supposed to put plastic wrap over it. Maybe I should have put plastic wrap on the wig, but I only have one glove, so I didn't want to get that much bleach all over my hands. So I just ended up putting it in a bag. I already have aluminum foil on it. It should turn a lot, I think. Let it marinate for like, I'd say like almost an hour. I feel like I missed a lot of spots and then I did a pretty bad bleach job, but I'm going to edit another video and we are going to see what it looks like in the sun setting. So my eyebrows are becoming ultraviolet. Okay, so this is what it's giving after I did highlights in it. I think it's not as light as I want it to be, but I can bleach it again. I bleached some of the back. That looks so bad. It's okay, it's not really light. I'm just gonna have to do that again when I get my quick bleach. I don't know what it's called. So this was a curly wig, so after washing it, it is very, very curly. I'm just gonna go ahead and blow dry it and do what I gotta do to get it back to the shape. Yeah, and if you're wondering why I didn't wet it while I was cutting it, it's because it's gonna look like this. There you go. Yep. All right, y'all, so okay, so here is the update on the hair. It's basically dry. It honestly looks really cute like this, but this is not what I'm going for. Like I need a little color. Like this is what, like you guys see my wig cap, like this, the fit of this wig really bad. I tried so hard with that elastic band. It essentially did nothing. I think I should have like put it more up here, so I'm gonna add another one and then sew it in and then put it here so it can like be down on my head. It didn't really take well. I didn't bleach it for that long also, so that's probably why it didn't take well. Also, the highlights that I made ended up not really being too much of highlight. It just looks like there's patches on my head. Here it looks like highlights. I wasn't, you know, separating the pieces of hair too much, which is fine. I honestly might film YouTube videos here. What do you guys think? I mean, I feel like it looks cool. If I wanted this look, if I was going for this, at least I know how I didn't want this. So I need some color. I feel boring. I will be back. Okay. Hey. So, I know. This is the second bleach. I kind of just like around. Just took parts and bleached it. I don't want them to be blonde. I was being lazy. I knew this was gonna happen. And this is so blonde and it's not even dry. But the front is brown because I'm impatient. So my hair is dry completely, but I kind of foofed it up a lot. I took pictures, I made some TikToks. So I know that this is not what my inspiration photos look like. This is only because it's in its natural state. I really like it. I think the color looks so nice. I'm gonna try to stop looking at myself. Just like, it's like this little thing, just it's giving. When I do straighten this, I will be showing you guys that clip, but I really like the way it looks curly. I never thought I would wear this wig curly ever again. I should have been, you know, did what I need to do to it a long time ago because it's so freaking cute. What is the word? It's definitely a curly shag. This is like a safer shag. It's like, oh, it's like a cute little curly do with a little funk. Edginess, there's a hint of indie alternative. It makes me feel like I have Jerry curls and I feel funky. I feel like it compliments my aesthetic, my skin, my eyebrows really nicely. At first I was like, ooh, should I just like dye my eyebrows aquamarine? But I'm glad I didn't because I like the juxtaposition, the contrast. I feel really confident. I can't stop looking at myself, you guys. I am so sorry. It's probably gonna get so annoying, but I like it so much. It's the back of the hair. How does the back of the hair look? Because I don't know what that looks like. Hope it looks cool. Does it look cool? I really like it. So I've decided to have this be the end of the video. When I do straighten it and do the flip and all that stuff, I will make a whole other video, I guess, like styling your mullet different ways. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would like for you to do one thing for me: interact with my content. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more of me. If you're vibing, if you like me, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on social media. All of that is peace at heart, except for my Twitter. Yes, that's under the umbrella term for one thing. No, it's not. That's like multiple things. Support me, help me grow, help me do this YouTube thing that I've been trying to do. Thank you guys for staying this long with me, and if you're still watching this, I love you so much, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.
I'm just stunting on my ex bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex bitch. Hold up.